Hey, Jim Paar here, and we're going to walk through how to set up your dental office in a few quick steps, how to nurture those leads, how to send reminders to your clients that you have a appointment coming up, 24-hour reminder, 1-hour reminder. It's fully automated, and that's what this software does. We're going to walk through how to build a website for your dental office and everything that you need to be successful in doing this. But before we get going, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification if you want to see my other videos, and use that link below to sign up for a 14-day free trial. I'll give you a free one-on-one session with your office and your team. And not only that, I'll give you a free snapshot of what we're doing here. So let's dive in. So let's dive in. We've got the launch pad. There's a lot of different features here that you can use for your business and your office to get you going. So you can set up your Google local listing right here. It's just, a few steps to get that, your Facebook and Instagram connected, your web chat for your website, and even connect a payment system to take Stripe and PayPal payments and other gateways that we're adding on. And even now we have a Yext portal for to control your business. If there's a holiday or something and your office is closed, you can quickly update that, and you can add your team members in here. So the dashboard really gives you an overall view of what's going on with the business, how many opportunities are coming in, which are people scheduling, different pipeline values, which should be, how much is it teeth whitening or teeth cleaning? So you can see what's going on here. And we won't go into great detail about these, but we have opportunities where as a lead comes in, it's a new lead, and then it becomes a warm lead. Then it goes into a booking requested, and this is automated process. The booking's confirmed. Once it's confirmed, it sends out a notification to that individual to let them know, hey, we've got your appointment, and here's the location and what time. It'll send them a reminder right away, 24 hours ahead of time. And you can actually have a confirm button if you want in there. But after they come in, then they become a regular client of your office there. So we have a lot of marketing features in here for emails, so form builders, quiz builders, survey builders. So you can qualify a patient before they come in if they really need a teeth whitening, or maybe it's a dental implant. So obviously with those, it's a little bit different. And but you can kiss your email marketing goodbye. You can forget about the other form builders that you're using, quiz builders. Those add up to a few $100s just right there in those few things. But all your schedules are back in here, so you'll be able to manage your front office right here, and all your appointments coming in real time, and you can communicate with them right there in the scheduling. Also, in Reputation, you can send out a review request, so you can put in the customer name and a phone number. Boom, it'll send them a text to leave a quick review. And also, you can manage all your contacts in the back end, and this is where you can send your emails, even a text campaign. So if you need to reschedule that appointment, you can send them a quick text, and you can do all that right in there. But this is what's really cool about it. If we want to build a website for your dental office really quick, and just remember this, if you want the snapshot, use that link below. We'll get you the snapshot if you sign up for HighLevel. We'll walk you through, do a 1-hour session with your team in your office, whoever's going to be trained in this. So we just go here, we grab the template, we load it in, and we just click on here. That's a great looking template there for a website. Watch how quickly we can build a website. And then you can connect this, edit it very easily. So we'll just click on this. And let's just look at it and see what it looks like on the front end. Man, it looks great. And we just did a few quick clicks there. You know, obviously we got to go in and put your own content in here. You know, all your own information, any events coming up. You can have your staff here and add them in as you wish. So as we go in here, it's easy to go in here and just start modifying. So if we want to change the logo, we just go down here, click on it, and change the logo, and just add in a new logo, whatever we want to add in there. So we can upload those files in here, and we got folders and files that you can put in there to manage it. It's very quick and easy to do. So you can add as many pages in here. The cool thing is you can see how many clicks that you're getting on your website, so you can manage how many people are opting in for a deal or whatever. The big thing about dentists is having some type of ad on Facebook or ad on Google and driving them to a funnel. So we have funnels in here. You don't need ClickFunnels. You don't need any other funnel system. We can split test those different things. If we have two different funnels and want to use two different colors or two different copies, content in there, and see which one performs the best over 7 days, you can do that. And then again, you can monitor the stats and how many people are clicking on them and see the earnings and everything else. But again, it's very easy to edit these. And if you look at it, it's got a great feel to it. Again, you can just type in and put your phone number in here. And it's very easy to manage. If you want to change the colors, you just click on it, grab the form, and change the color. You can change this form and do whatever you want. I mean, the content in here, whatever you want, is very easy to maneuver. And we always say on a funnel is the less the best. So you want to be able to bring people in, really capture them into an offer that you're doing, and then get them in for that free teeth cleaning. And, you know, I know the business, you're going to upsell for whatever. It's very mobile friendly, so we can look at it on a mobile aspect, and we can even add SEO and do marketing in there so that you start coming up. So that's the funnels. We can even add a chat widget into that actual website. So if we wanted to modify this and have a different picture in here, it's just a matter of putting your own content in here, changing the colors. Maybe we want to go with like an orange, or let's do like a teal color like this, a little bit darker. And that's all you have to do. We can shut this off so it doesn't say powered by. And then when somebody has a question or wants to book an appointment, we have something called Eliza. That's an artificial intelligence, and it'll actually schedule their appointment where you don't even have to do anything. So it can send them to that scheduling page right away. And if we just save this, we can go in and add this to our website very easily just by going in here, and we'll go in and click edit this, and then we're just gonna add the settings in here and turn on our chat widget and hit save. And now if we go and look at the page here, we can see our nice chat widget that we just built. Man, that just took, what, 1 minute to do, and it's already up there on the page. And that will come into your conversations and opportunities as new leads, new appointments. So there's really not a lot to set up here. And once you start retaining customers and want to do a monthly newsletter or whatever, you can do all that. And you can even, in the reporting, you can monitor your Google ads, your Facebook ads, whatever you want, your call reporting. You don't need CallRail or all those different things. Appointment reports, you just click on it and it's going to tell you how many showed, how many no show, how many canceled. Google Ads, this is just some sample data. If you're running ads, you can monitor the cost per click and all your different campaigns here. Or your Facebook ads, same deal, all your ad sets, Instagram, Facebook, and everything else. And one cool feature is we know that email is pretty dead, and the new way of doing marketing is through Instagram and Facebook and doing text messaging. Well, we can do all that. You can send reminders through Facebook Messenger. You can get leads through Facebook Messenger. You can send out through Instagram, whatever you want. And we even have the option to use WhatsApp. So that's just a little bit on setting it up and getting it going. It's just a matter of getting on a call for 1 hour, getting you set up and getting things rolling. It is so cool and so beneficial. The ROI on this is incredible for any business. So if you're another business outside of the dental business and you want to get started, just put a comment below and I'll do a video on roofing, on HVAC, whatever it is. We've got some incredible dashboards that you can manage and nurture those leads very effectively. So I appreciate you watching. Hit that subscribe button below. And if you sign up with that link below, I will do that free one-on-one with your team and get you set up and get that marketing rolling so you've got some new business coming in. Thanks for watching.